Hello, good morning, Assalamualaikum. How are you? Hope everyone is doing fine and still in your house. Okay, this week is the third stay-at-home online class. Okay, so for today we are going to look at two items. The first one is this MyLinE listening quizzes, which will give you another 15% of marks. So I've prepared the notes here. You can click on it. So this is the notes, MyLinE UTM, how to access MyLinE listening quiz. Okay, first you need to search the website. You just type MyLinE UTM and the first suggested site is usually the website. Yeah, I think you already know this. We've done few activities. Okay, click on login to log into your account. This is the place. Okay, the tiny little button on top right side of the page. Okay, to log in you need to insert your username and also password. Username is UTM plus your metric number. Okay, example like this, and password is only your metric number. Click on login. Okay, then find the tab ELSP. You will see the drop down menu. Scroll down until you see ELSP at UTM. Click on it. Okay, next you will be on ELSP at UTM microsites, and then select the English courses here, which mean your course. Okay, UHLB 1112. Next, you will be brought to the page, to the dedicated page for 1112. The details of the task is on the course page. You need to read carefully, look at it thoroughly. Yeah, okay, what to do, the deadlines, and so on. Right? Okay, so what you need to do, you will have to complete the following quiz in World of Challenges, which is quick and easy, and under quick and easy, select listening. There are many sets of listening tests. You need to do 7 of them. Okay, each set has 10 questions. Okay, to check your mark, whether or not you have achieved the full mark, you can go to the award of mark, click on your course here. Okay, you can check your mark. And the good thing, the best thing about MyLinE exercises or activity is that you can do it more than one times. It can go unlimited. Okay, so you can redo until you satisfy. Okay, if you face any problems with MyLinE, go to the first page just now, the landing page where you need to log in. Okay, go to that page and find eHelp desk. So if you face any technical problem with the website, click on that and email them. Okay, they will answer you within 24 hours. Okay.